Do you want to know if you really understand beginner English? In this one video, you will hear a story using almost 1,000 of the most common English words, all A1 level. If you understand it, you already know 80% of daily English. If not, don't worry, because you will learn all of them while listening and thinking. Every sentence uses because of, but, or however. Try to answer my questions during the story. Anna wakes up at 7 o'clock because of the sun shining in her room. She is still sleepy, but she washes her face and brushes her teeth. She chooses her clothes, a red shirt, black pants, and white shoes because she wants to look nice. In the kitchen, her mother is making breakfast, but the coffee is not ready yet. They eat bread, cheese, and eggs, and drink tea, coffee, and water. Why is Anna awake? Because of the sun or because she is hungry? Anna wants to walk to the bus stop, but it is cold outside, so she wears a jacket. Because of the cold, some children stay at home. She sees a dog and a cat, a man and a woman holding a child, but no cars are passing yet. The bus arrives, however. The seat next to the student is small. Anna sits carefully because of the crowded bus. Why does Anna wear a jacket? Because of the cold or because she is happy? Anna uses a computer, but the internet is slow. She writes notes, however. She forgets one word. Her teacher asks a question because of the lesson, but Anna tries hard and answers correctly. She goes to the library because of her homework and sees many books, big, small, old, new. She meets her friend Tom, but he is busy reading a magazine. Why does Anna go to the library? Because of homework or because of TV? At 12 o'clock, Anna and Tom eat lunch, but the cafeteria is noisy. Anna eats rice, chicken, salad, and fruit. Apples, bananas, oranges, because she is hungry. She drinks juice, but she wants water too. Why does Anna want water? Because she is thirsty or because she is tired? Anna goes to the supermarket because of her shopping list, but she forgets a bag at home. She buys milk, butter, sugar, salt, meat, fish, vegetables, because she needs them. She also buys soap, shampoo, clothes, shoes, but some items are expensive. At the cashier, she pays with money, however. She needs coins for small items. Why does Anna buy soap? Because she wants to clean or because she is tired? Anna goes to the park because of the sunny weather, but the wind is cold. She sees flowers, red, yellow, white, and children playing football, but some are sitting and reading. She walks carefully because of the wet grass, however. She enjoys the sunlight. Why do some children sit? Because of the sun or because they are tired? Anna feels sick because of the cold weather, but she wants to see her friend. She has a headache and a stomachache. However, she goes to the doctor. The doctor checks her body, but the medicine is not ready yet. He says, "Drink water and rest." Because of the sickness, however, Anna wants to go outside. Why should Anna stay home? Because of the medicine or because she is healthy? Anna meets her friend Mary in a cafe because of their plan, but Anna wants tea instead of coffee. They talk about music, movies, books, hobbies, travel. However, the cafe is noisy. Why is the cafe noisy? Because of children or because of music? Anna goes home because her family is waiting, but she is tired from walking. Her brother plays a game, her sister reads a book, and her mother cooks dinner. Anna washes the dishes, however. She wants to rest soon. Why does Anna wash the dishes? Because she is happy or because it is her turn? Anna brushes her teeth and washes her face because she is tired, but she still reads a book for a few minutes. She goes to bed, however. She is still thinking about her day. She says, "Good night." Her family says, "Good night, Anna. See you tomorrow." Why does Anna go to bed? Because of tiredness or because it is morning? Well done. You just followed Anna's day with all major A1 English words. Notice how each sentence used because of, but, or however to help you think and remember vocabulary. Final test for you. Why did Anna wear a jacket? Why did she try to answer the teacher? Why did she buy soap? Why did children sit in the park? Why did Anna go to bed? Write your answers in the comments and practice every day.